Programming a Tesla Model X key fob involves synchronizing it with your car via Bluetooth. First, ensure your Model X is unlocked and nearby. On the touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Vehicle, then Locks, and finally select Add Key Fob. The car will search for unpaired fobs within approximately 10 meters. Simultaneously, press the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob to initiate pairing. The touchscreen will confirm when the fob is successfully paired. This method uses Tesla's proprietary encryption for security. Remember, you must use the vehicle's screen for physical fobs, while the app can only add phones as keys. While the Tesla app can't fully program physical key fobs, it excels at key management after initial pairing via the touchscreen. First, download and open the Tesla app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure you are logged into your Tesla account within the app. The app can serve as a digital key through Bluetooth or NFC, allowing you to unlock and start your Model X conveniently. Once you've paired a physical fob via the touchscreen, the app lets you rename keys or revoke access for security. The app displays all active keys and provides options for sharing access or revoking it, offering convenient security management. Remember, the app's main role with physical key fobs is management after touchscreen pairing, not the initial setup process.